All right, now I'm ready to borrow the book that I found on the shelf. It's a good idea to have a look at the spine, because on there you will see some notes about how long you can borrow it for. This book is an overnight loan. Some of the high use books are for 3 days and some of them are for 7 days, and occasionally you'll even see one that is 2 hours only, which really means it can only be used in the library. So an overnight loan, so that's until the next business day at 1 o'clock. So we're going to borrow. The first thing we need to do, come over to the self-check machine and put the book actually on the plate here. And we select borrow items. And now we get our student card and scan it. And almost instantly, there it is. The name of the book's listed there. The due date is the 6th. So it's Friday today, that's next Monday. I'm going to finish with a receipt. And on the receipt, it actually says it's due on the 6th of the 5th at 1300. That's 1 p.m. So all overnight loans are due back by 1 p.m. the following day, or the following Monday if it's Friday. So it's really important to remember that.